In this video, we're unboxing the Lost Mary NERA30K Full View Kit. Now that's a mouthful. Welcome back to Vampire Vape. My name's Andrew, and yes, we'll be looking at that kit that I'm not going to say the name of again because it's very long. But yes, we are looking at this device today, which is the Lost Mary NERA30K Full View Kit. And I did say it again because I was actually reading it off the box this time. It's a very long name. It's a 30K, 30,000 puff device, supposedly. And this is by Lost Mary. Let's see what we get inside the box. So opening it up, we get 3 different blister packs. So we've got 2 just here, which I imagine is the e-liquid containers, which we'll find out very shortly. And then we get this one just here, which is actually the device itself, which is the battery component of it. So this part you'll be keeping, these parts you'll be replacing once you are done with them. So let's just open them up and see what we get inside. Let's open up the main body first. I'll open them up and then we'll take a look at them. So in here we get the device itself, and that is it. You can see some connectors inside just there, which is how these parts are going to connect into it. We've got a film over the device just here. We'll have a deeper look at this once I've opened the other ones up, but there's your quick look just there. Now let's take one of these and open this up. And we've got 2 different flavors on offer here. We've got a watermelon ice and a strawberry watermelon. We've got this one just here, and I could straight away smell watermelon. That was like the first thing I could smell just then was watermelon. And I am totally right because it says strawberry and watermelon, but to my nose it just smells purely like watermelon. So that's one just there. And let's go to the other one, which must be the watermelon ice, which actually I'm surprised that one isn't watermelon ice because it's very watermelon-y in terms of smell. And then opening this one up is just another strong smell of watermelon, which I'd imagine because this is just straight up watermelon ice. So you've got 2 devices just here. Now, we will be going through a full tutorial on how to use this device, but just for the sake of this video, because it's an unboxing, I am going to peel the sticker off one of these just to see what's underneath it. So let's just open this up. Aha, there's what I imagined. So opening this up, we've got our e-liquid bottle just here, and it's very difficult to remove. So just give me 1 second, please, if you don't mind waiting. There we go. So now we have revealed the little silicone sort of holder just here, which holds the actual e-liquid bottle in. So I imagine we're going to have to remove this when we actually set it up, but there you go. So now you can see the 10 ml bottle of, I believe this one was the watermelon ice. No, strawberry watermelon, it says on the side. So you've got a little container that almost feels like glass, but it's not. It is plastic just here. Then you've actually got this part here, which you're going to pop these together and then you're going to stick this in that. But again, we'll go through all the details there in the actual tutorial video. So this is just like a housing for the bottle, which will also house the coil and either a cotton inside there or whatever it's using to wick that e-liquid from this bottle. But taking a look at the actual device then, we can move over from this because these are our e-liquid containers just here, which you've seen now. You've got then this part, which does have a little sticker on it. So I'm just going to remove that like so. And then it reveals a very high gloss black sort of compartment on the side just there. So that is deep black just there, high gloss, deep black. I imagine it might scratch quite easily because it is plastic. But then we've got NERA Full View on the side just there. On this side, we've got Lost Mary. On the base, we've got our USB charge port just there for charging. We've got our contact pins and the magnets just there, which I imagine once this is set up is going to sit in like that. And oh, you can see now that it lights up. So just to show that again, look at that. That's quite impressive. Whee. Yeah, so there you go. So you've got lots of RGB, well, not RGB, just LEDs on the side just there. You can see that there's a turbo mode. We'll go over all of that in the actual tutorial video. But yeah, it's quite an interesting looking device. I've not really seen one like this before myself, where you've got a little like stick inside piece. So this is going to be your e-liquid container, this is your battery just there, you stick them together and then that's your actual device that you'll be using just there. And of course, if you want to learn more about this device, well then stick around because we will have a tutorial video and an overview video coming soon. My name's Andrew, this is Vampire Vape, I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.